For over a century, I have lived in secret, hiding in the shadows, alone in the world. Until now, I am a vampire. And this is my story.
Rams is telling me I'm psychic. Our ancestors were from Salem, which isn't all that on about it, and I'm like, put this woman in a home already. Addicted Heath Ledger, and Elena! Back in the car.
You were telling me that
I'm psychic now.
Right. Okay, then predict something about me.
I see. What was that? Oh my god. Elena, are you okay?
It's okay.
A bird or something, it came out of nowhere.
Really?
I predict this year is going to be kick-ass. She looks so hot. Can I still say tranny mess? And coin a phrase. It's a busy year. That's, you dumped me, but I'm too cool to show it. But secretly, I'm listening to Air Supply's greatest hit.
Is she good? Okay. See you guys later? Okay. Bye.
Hold up. Who's this? A hot back.
You're really gonna run this whole psychic thing.
I'm sensing Seattle. And he plays the guitar.
You're really gonna run this whole psychic thing into the ground, huh?
Pretty much. Be hot.
Thank you.
Her mom and dad died. How do you think? She's putting on a good face, but it's only been 4 months.
She said anything about me?
Oh no. So not getting in the middle. You pick up the phone and call her.
I feel weird calling her. She broke up with me.
Give it more time, Matt.
Miss Bennett.
A lot? I'm not sure, but like a whole lot.
Cute.
Believing it to be housing weapons.
Right, I forgot. Okay, so give me a sec. Ram says I have to concentrate. That was weird. When I touched you, I saw a crow. What?
A crow. There was fog. Man. I'm drunk. It's the drinking. It's nothing psychic about it. Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna get a refill.
Bonnie! Are you sober yet? Home. I gotta get me home.
Yeah, how come?
I'm touching that.
I'm inappropriate. She doesn't even try.
It's not a competition, Caroline.
You can't escape them. As much